BioTense Gommage. BioTense Gommage is a detoxifying and oxygenating organic exfoliant that gently eliminates dead cells, toxins, and pollutants from the epidermis in less than 3 minutes. This treatment revives and illuminates dull and tired complexion, offering a fresh and healthy glow. It helps to smooth the skin texture and improve skin tone, giving a more youthful, radiant appearance. This lightweight gel cream formula is suitable for all skin types and is gentle enough to be used around the eye area. BioTense Gommage should be used twice a week after cleansing. Advantage number 1. Eliminate dead skin cells. Dead skin cell buildup on the surface of the epidermis causes dry, rough, and uneven skin texture. Fine lines, wrinkles, and pigmentation are more visible, and pores may clog and enlarge. Because dead cells do not reflect light, skin complexion may appear dull. In addition, the accumulation of dead skin cells form barriers that prevent skincare from properly penetrating. BioTense Gommage contains bamboo microgranules and natural birch enzymes. These ingredients quickly loosen up and lift the barrier of dead skin cells, revealing new, fresh skin cells beneath. This process stimulates cell renewal and opens the way for skincare products to penetrate more deeply into the skin for maximum efficiency. Advantage number 2. Purifies and detoxifies the epidermis. BioTense Gommage also contains absorbent microspheres of kaolin and bentonite clay. These special ingredients absorb excess sebum on the skin surface and help remove impurities and toxic waste from the epidermis. This is why BioTense Gommage dramatically improves the skin texture, prevents blackheads, and reveals an overall brighter complexion. When massaging, pay attention to the color of the residue as it indicates the level of toxins and impurity trapped in the skin. Gray residue will indicate dead cells, where black residue will indicate a higher level of toxins, pollutants, and dead cells trapped in the skin. Results. From the first application, the skin reveals an immediate healthy glowing complexion. The skin's texture is smoother and more defined. Pores, pigmentation, wrinkles, and fine lines are visibly minimized. The skin is ready to better absorb serums, oils, and creams. How to use it? Apply a layer of BioTense Gommage over the face, the neck, the eyelids, and the lips. Leave on for 3 minutes. Massage the skin with the fingertips to remove dead cells and impurities. Rinse with warm water and spray the BioTense pH toner before continuing to next step in your skincare regimen.